Bismillah, today I welcome you all to our latest video of SABZ ADAD. Today is the day 17 of real making of our chicken coop for our chickens. On day 17 of real making, on June 10, 2026, I am officially making our SABZ ADAD third video. From today, you will get to see on the SABZ ADAD channel long videos between 2 days. I mean between every 2 days. But today's agenda is on the day 17 of real making. We are going to set up our camera mount on the helmet which was unboxed on day 15 of real making. Now let's get started the mounting. Here is the helmet. And here is the mount which was used in the old helmet also. Now I am going to use the same mount to our new helmet. But first I need to adjust the mobile phone for the position of video because every time I can't hold the phone. Looks like we got the good position of video making. Now we can start our mounting process on our new helmet. To fix the mount, I am using presently the M-seal. Let me first open the pack of the M-seal now. The packets are open now. Now we have to mix it 3, 2, 1. I am mixed it properly. See, it got black. Now it's time to fix the mount. Before fixing the mount, let's check the mount is attached properly to the mobile stand or not. I think it has some issue. Let me fix it. I think the mobile stand is not attached properly to the mount. Now it has fixed nicely. Now we can move to the next step. I mean attaching the mount to the new helmet. Finally, I think it has been completed, the fixing of the mount on the helmet. See, if you like this video, please do a subscribe to this channel and see you in the day 18 of real making.